How to remove bloodstain in your clothes like pro. Subscribe for more videos. Removing bloodstains from clothing can be a daunting task, but it is possible to successfully remove them with the right techniques and materials. Here are some steps you can follow to remove bloodstains from your clothing. Act quickly. The longer a bloodstain sits on a fabric, the harder it will be to remove. So, as soon as you notice a bloodstain, try to address it as soon as possible. Pre-treat the stain. Begin by wetting the stain with cold water. Cold water helps to loosen the blood and make it easier to remove. Then, apply a pre-treatment solution or stain remover to the stain. There are many pre-treatment solutions available at the store, or you can make your own by mixing 1 part dish soap with 3 parts hydrogen peroxide. Soak the stain. After applying the pre-treatment solution, let the clothing soak in cold water for at least 30 minutes. This will help to further loosen the blood and make it easier to remove. Wash the clothing. After soaking the clothing, wash it according to the care instructions on the label. Use the hottest water temperature that is safe for the fabric and add a stain-fighting detergent. If the stain is still present after washing, repeat the process. Try alternative methods. If the stain persists after washing, there are a few alternative methods you can try. One option is to apply a paste made of equal parts water and cornstarch to the stain, let it sit for at least an hour, and then brush it off. Another option is to use a mixture of equal parts white vinegar and water to spot treat the stain. Let the mixture sit for at least an hour and then wash the clothing as usual. Repeat as necessary. If the stain is still present after trying these methods, it may be necessary to repeat the process until the stain is completely gone. Be patient and persistent, as it may take several attempts to completely remove the stain. Prevent future stains. To prevent future blood stains, always handle cuts and scrapes with care and try to avoid getting blood on your clothing. If you do get blood on your clothing, act quickly to address the stain and follow the steps outlined above to remove it. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully remove blood stains from your clothing. Remember to be patient and persistent, as it may take several attempts to completely remove the stain. With the right techniques and materials, it is possible to remove even stubborn blood stains from your clothing. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.